guys, today I am Ilia and this is my kuya. She's holding my camera and this is my tablet. I'll show you my toys and I'm borrowing kuya's toy. I'm trying to play it. It's so cool. I'm making a house. This is a house. I want to erase it. This looks ugly. Hello guys. Today Okay. Hi guys. Today I will show you all. I will show you to draw something. And this is my guys to make a flower. Come on, do you want to see it here? And how you make do this? You make a straight line, and you make like this and this. Hey kuya, why you look like that? Like your voices looks like that. That's my kuya. And that was not me. My kuya looks crazy. Her voices looks crazy and make like this. And you can make a sun if you want some. And if you want to make a grass too. There. If you want to make more cool, beautiful some clouds. There is a flower. And looks here, that's my flower. I made it, and this is the pen. And I'm using it. It's a little bit small because it's so cool. Whee! And my kuya showing it for you. And this is my flower. And guys, I want to see it in the camera. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at this. Okay, and guys, do you want to see my other work? This is someone Tita Dayan give this to us, all of us. But I just already opened it. It's a princess, a toy princess. This is a toy princess. So cool. Guys, do you want to open it? Yes. Okay. You karate chop. And guys, I will show you all of my princess, and this is we can see it. And in the back, there's a beautiful picture princess. If you want to open it, just open here and what my kuya doing? She's doing work. And guys, oh my god! And this is 2 pen. This is 1, 2. I got 2, and this is sharpener, and this is eraser. So cool because there's a princess. And this is a roller coaster. I don't know. I think it's my kuya. Guys, look at my kuya. She's doing funny. And this is what's this, guys? What is it, kuya? What's it? Roller coaster. And we can see it here if you want it. Because this is cool. I will just use it. So it's cool. So guys, look, it's beautiful now. Now I can hold it, and so cool. This is my hand, and my new doing. I'm just borrowing kuya's board, and I'll make a house. Do you want to see it? We have to make a square like this, and we make a triangle. And I will see you guys if we're done. Let's make a grass. This pen, this is so cute. If you do this, see, look, if we color something, if we erase it, so cool. And guys, we need to go put it here, and I'll show you all of my dress.
Ito ang ganda.
Ayoko makita.
And
And guys, I'll show you. Guys, I'm gonna show you all of my dress.